I lost track in between honestly when my dad passed. अब मैं क्या करूँ और मैं क्यों करूँ, अब मैं क्यों अभिनय करूँ? अगर आज आपके पास पेरेंट्स है तो हिम्मत नहीं है, हिम्मत आप खो चुके हो शायद.
I would like to know from you how hard it is, parents के beside नहीं होना.
Oh yeah, very hard. Very hard.
How do you deal
And
with it? Rejections का भी होता है क्योंकि
yeah, of
पेरेंट्स
course.
साथ रहते हैं ना तो ऐसा होता है यार उनको शेयर कर दो
Yeah.
तो वो आधा बढ़
Yes.
जाता है.
Yes.
But
Yes.
how hard it is and how do you
Yeah,
deal with it?
yes, it's very hard, honestly speaking, because you know, and especially for a girl like me, I'm a very,
Yes.
very family-oriented
Yeah, I
person.
know.
I love being, contributing to my family and being that girl who is like a good girl, which is always told to me that, oh, तू हे करशील ना तर, तू छान केलं, somebody at home would say that to me. वो जो that absence of that compliments, what happens is you kind of, I lost track in between honestly when my dad passed. That time I was shooting for She and Ashram both, and I lost track. I said अब मैं क्या करूँ और मैं क्यों करूँ, अब मैं क्यों अभिनय करूँ. मेरे लिए तो वो उधर गेट ही बंद हो गया था. I said अब मैं कुछ खरीदूँ तो क्यों खरीदूँ, या फिर मैं किसको दिखाऊँ खरीद के. If I buy a house, my dad would feel proud that my daughter has done that. I would do it for him. If I buy a car, it was for him. And suddenly you feel like, oh no, now there is just a room which is empty. Seriously, I felt this when he went. I went, looked in the room, and I said, now this is a empty room. And I speak about this in all my interviews, mostly because, not because it's a sob story or something, but I feel at this age when I was so naive and young, when I started my journey itself, I was just out of my school. And I got the right guidance in theatre because of Max sir, Makaran sir. I got the right guidance with music because of my kaka, Pandit Ajay Pohankar.
Hanji.
And everywhere, the only rule was to be grounded, only rule was to work hard and keep flowing in life, and giving everything as much importance and love as much you would give yourself. First, start with the self, give yourself importance and love, then give everything else the same importance and love. So when this happens, that the parents both decide to leave so early, you feel now what love will I give myself also, you know. And then when I tell my story in these kind of probably interviews, because I feel like anybody who's watching me, someone or the other has lost something or the other. अगर आज आपके पास पेरेंट्स है तो हिम्मत नहीं है, हिम्मत आप खो चुके हो शायद किसी चीज़ की वजह से. हिम्मत है तो फिर शायद आपकी सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट खो चुके हो, या कुछ ना कुछ आप खोते रहते हो रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में. तब आपको ये, जब आप सुनोगे आपको लगेगा, ओ शिट, इफ शी डिड इट आई कैन डू इट मैन. क्योंकि मेरे लिए ऐसे बहुत से लोग थे that they did it so I can do it, and I have heard them in interviews. I've heard Jim Carrey so many times when he speaks about how he took care of his mother. And honestly, people are going through so much, everybody is going through so much. That's life.
Right.
इट्स लाइक आपकी एक स्टोरी होगी, उसमें आपका दुख सबसे ऊपर होगा, मेरे लिए मेरी स्टोरी में सबसे ऊपर होगा. तो मैं ये क्यों हमेशा हर इंटरव्यू में बात करती हूँ उस चीज़ के बारे में, एंड आई डोंट शाई अवे फ्रॉम इट. एंड आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट डिप्रेशन, और आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट समथिंग दैट oh, I went through so much, but still I made it. Not that kind of thing. I'm saying every day is a certain battle that we are winning and losing both. So when I have lost my parents, I lost one battle. But at the same time, when I'm hearing this from you that you're a strong girl, how did you cope up? I again won the battle, and my parents are now proud. Just that I'm not seeing them, but they are proud. I'm sure they are proud from wherever. I don't believe in death being a finality. I think that it's a energy ऐसी होती है कि उसको कभी मारा नहीं जा सकता और create नहीं किया जा सकता. Somewhere they are listening to this, and somewhere it is reaching them. And I think if I'm walking on the path of truth, integrity and honesty, I make my parents proud. उसके लिए मुझे Mercedes ही खरीदने की ज़रूरत है ऐसा नहीं है,
We all are proud of you.
Thank you so much.